welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a little hair reset. We're gathering ourselves because look at my hair. It's really not that bad. It's just that I took it out of braids, so it looks a little bit wonky. But my scalp has been feeling super dry. My hair in general has been feeling super dry. Mostly since I came back from vacation because I haven't really been taking care of it the way that I was before, honestly. Like even with my scalp massages, I've been kind of like slacking. So I am really in need of just like a very nice scalp massage. So today I'm going to be using some products from the Innate Life. They actually just released a new Rosemary scalp treatment. And this is what it looks like. It replaces their normal scalp treatment. They had a normal scalp treatment and a problematic scalp treatment. This is going to replace the normal one, which is the one that I usually use. I really do like their products and I definitely see a difference in my hair when I use them consistently. So for my pre-poo today, I'm going to be using the scalp treatment as well as their herbal hair mask. So I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair. I'm going to split it down the middle so I can apply the scalp treatment first. I also got these really big clips from Five Below. I always struggle with having a jaw clip that's wide enough to fit my hair because it's really thick. These were like $3 for a pack of 2 and they're really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the scalp treatment. It is for intense hydration and repair, which is what I need. It's a rosemary scalp treatment. You guys know I love rosemary. Rosemary is so good for hair growth and it has 15 other herbal extracts, so that's really good. And this applicator, like it just makes it so easy to apply the product. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my scalp. And I'm just gonna split this in half again. Yeah, I'll do 4 sections. I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And then I'm just gonna gently rub it in with my fingertips. This applicator also makes it so much easier because you don't have to part your hair as much. You can kind of just stick this in and still get the product on your actual scalp. And before I move on to the other side, I'm going to go ahead and apply this herbal hair mask. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this from the mid to the ends of my hair. And then I'm gonna do this side. And of course, I'm gonna be applying the hair mask on this side as well. This mask is gonna keep your hair soft, silky, and shiny, and also says it'll help reverse damage if you have heat damage or if your hair is color treated. It's a really good mask to use like once a week to kind of revive the health of your hair. Okay, so now that my hair is pretty much saturated with the scalp treatment and the mask, I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for a few hours. You can let it sit in for a few hours or you can do it overnight, but I'm just gonna do it for a few hours. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna check right now if I have any more of my little heat caps. Those are really good to put on over a mask or a treatment like this because they help trap some heat into your hair. And then just get the products all melted and like really worked into your scalp and really penetrate into your hair. So I'm gonna check right now. Hopefully I do. I found a plastic cap, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this over my head. And I'll probably have this on for like at least 2-3 hours. And then I'll come back and wash it out and show you guys. I am back and I washed and conditioned my hair. It actually feels very nice and soft and it was really easy to detangle. The next 2 products I have are the primer and the leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna go in first with the Neroli hair primer, which helps balance and restore your hair because it helps bring your hair back to its optimal pH level. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all over my hair. This is the first step before you apply any leave-in conditioner, as soon as you get out the shower, just apply this all over your hair. It actually has apple cider vinegar as well that helps remove buildup. It smells so refreshing too. It has like a really citrusy scent. I really want to do a curly hair ASMR video. Let me know if you guys would like to watch that. I mean, I guess you would only want to watch that if you're into the ASMR, which I like watching certain ASMR videos. I really like the ice ASMR. This is totally off topic, but Ali Iceberg here on YouTube is like one of my favorite ASMR people because I love ice and I love the crunchiness and the soft sounds of ice. So if you guys would like to see an ASMR video, I really want to do one just for fun because I like watching them. So let me know if you guys would be interested. I'm just gonna split my hair in half to apply the leave-in conditioner. They also have a new pump applicator since the last time I had this. The old leave-in conditioner had this little spray bottle one. And once again, I'm just gonna run my detangling brush through my hair. And this is the Caraco Mini Tangle Buster. I'll link it down below. Okay, now to style my hair, I'm gonna be using this gel from DN Organics, but I'm going to be pairing it with this mousse from TJN. This is the Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse. This gel is pretty new to me and I've only used it with the DN Organics leave-in conditioner, so I wanna see how it works with a different product. I'm just gonna split my hair in half to apply the gel, and I'm just gonna rake and scrunch it through my hair. And then for the mousse, I'm just gonna apply that all over my head. I'm gonna use my microfiber towel to scrunch out any excess water and product that I have. And now I'm just gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit before I start diffusing. I definitely haven't taken these like little extra steps in my routine lately, so my scalp is feeling so good right now. It feels so fresh and so clean. And I need to get back into the routine of including these steps into my hair routine so that I can continue to see improvement in the health of my hair and also the length, the growth, the inches. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit when my hair is a little bit more dry. Okay, my hair is completely dry and I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out per usual using my little rosemary oil. And I like to just put this on my hair and then fluff it out as well. Can you guys see my gray hair? Like, I'm growing a whole bunch in this one section and it's actually getting long. There's another one around here somewhere. I don't know, but I definitely could see it on camera. I'm sure you guys could see it. I'm also gonna go in with a little pick. I used to use a pick all the time before I just started shaking my hair out, but I really like the double row picks better because I feel like they're better for looser curl patterns like mine. I used to have that double row one from Cantu, but I don't know what happened to it, but I broke it somehow and I never went and got a new one. Okay. And these are my final results after a very much needed hair care day. My hair definitely needed a little TLC. And the products I used from the Innate Life I can always count on to get my hair back together. Last time I mentioned the Innate Life on my channel, I'm pretty sure that I told you guys if there's only one thing that you could purchase from them, it would be the scalp treatment. Scalp care is super important. It should be top priority for anybody's hair care routine, in my opinion. I'll have all the links of everything that I used in today's video down in the description box if you are interested. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Also, make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!